Hello guys, activating Bitdefender VPN on your Android device ensures secure and private internet browsing, whether you're using the free or premium version. Here's how to get started. First, open Google Play Store app on your Android smartphone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type Bitdefender VPN like this and tap enter or click the search icon. Now, tap on Bitdefender VPN app in the search results. It will look something like this. Here, you'll have to scroll down and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Open button. Click there and it will instantly open your app for the first time. Now, when you open your app for the first time, you will see two options: Create free account or Sign in. Simply click on Create new account, follow the prompts and create a new account. If you already have an account, click on Sign in. Now, you'll have to simply check this small box after following the prompts and click Continue. At this point, if you don't have a Bitdefender Premium VPN subscription, activate it in your Bitdefender account. You have two options. You can tap on Start Now to begin a 7-day free trial of Bitdefender VPN that gives you access to all premium features. This is the A option. This one. Alternatively, you can tap on Use It Here button, enter the code you got in your purchase email, tap on Activate Code to start using a Bitdefender Premium VPN subscription. So, you can simply enter the code in this section and click on Activate Code. After a short wait, Bitdefender VPN is installed and ready to be used. To activate the subscription after you have installed Bitdefender VPN, just go to the email you received after buying Bitdefender Premium VPN and click on Activate Subscription in that email. So it will look something like this. Just click on this button that you would have got in your email from Bitdefender and you would have successfully activated your Bitdefender VPN on Android. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.